Hello and welcome to Discount Radar United Kingdom. In this video, I've highlighted and narrated the newest weekly deals from the official brochures of supermarkets across the UK, focusing especially on the middle aisles. This way, you'll be the first to know about all the special discounts, save time, and never miss out on amazing offers. Don't have time to go through the entire brochure? No problem, I'm here for you. Each week, Discount Radar United Kingdom brings you the hottest discounts, must-have bargains, and exclusive promotions. Subscribe now to save more and shop smarter. Let's get started. Ambiano Cyclonic Stick Vacuum Cleaner Battery Performance. 20 minutes LED display detachable dust tank £39.99. Ambiano Electric Window Cleaner Dirty Water Tank Capacity. 200 ml Clean Water Tank Capacity. 100 ml Li-ion Rechargeable Battery £14.99. Ambiano Portable Vacuum Cleaner Wet and Dry Vacuum Dust Capacity. 180 ml Water Capacity. 40 ml £17.99. Ambiano Electric Scrubber 4 Interchangeable Heads Waterproof 4X AA Batteries included £4.99. Easy Home Wet Dry Mop 2-side Spray Mop, 1 side chenille, 1 side microfiber £12.99. Easy Home Tile Scrubber Mix £5.99. Easy Home Scrubbing Brush £1.99. Easy Home Cleaning Caddy Mop Bucket Set of 2 includes 1 bucket and 1 caddy capacity. Bucket, 15 litre, caddy, 6 litre £6.99. So Crafty Sewing Basket £12.99. So Crafty yarn varieties range from £1.29 to £3.49. So Crafty Fat Quarters 5-pack 100% cotton £3.49. So Crafty Sewing Assortment £3.49. Pembroke Journal Assortment £2.99. Pembroke Ringbound Sketchbook £3.99. Macmillan Mindful Colouring Book £1.99. Pembroke Paint by Numbers Gemstone Art £3.99. Pembroke Artist Pen £3.99. Pembroke Paint £3.99. We've reached the end of this week's featured and narrated official supermarket brochure list for the middle aisle deals. If you want to be the first to know about discounts, grab high-quality products at affordable prices before they sell out, and make great savings, don't forget to subscribe to @DiscountRadar and turn on notifications. Feel free to share your suggestions in the comments, I'd be delighted to hear from you. With Discount Radar United Kingdom, save more and shop smart.